Ever wondered if it would be possible to rewrite the genetic code of life? To cure diseases before they even manifest? To create crops that are resistant to pests, drought, or diseases? Welcome to the world of CRISPR gene editing, a revolutionary scientific breakthrough that turns these hypotheticals into potential reality. Picture this, a pair of ultra-precise molecular scissors. This is the essence of CRISPR. It's a tool that allows scientists to precisely edit genes, the very blueprints of life. But how does it work? Imagine a tiny GPS-guided scissor. CRISPR uses a molecule to guide these scissors to an exact spot within an organism's DNA. It's akin to finding a specific sentence in an encyclopedia and then rewriting it. With this ability, we can remove, add, or change genetic material. This potential is enormous. We're talking about curing genetic diseases, improving crops, and unlocking the secrets of our own biology. Imagine a world where Huntington's disease, cystic fibrosis, or other genetic illnesses are things of the past. Picture farmlands abundant with crops that are resistant to pests and harsh weather conditions, ensuring food security for generations to come. But it's not just about the potential benefits. As with any powerful tool, CRISPR comes with its fair share of ethical considerations. After all, we're editing the very code of life. That's why the scientific community is diligently working to ensure it's used responsibly, especially in sensitive areas like human embryo editing. In essence, CRISPR isn't just a cutting-edge piece of science, it's a new frontier in our understanding and interaction with the building blocks of life. As we continue to explore and debate its uses, one thing is clear: CRISPR is reshaping our world, offering hope for the future in ways we've only just begun to imagine. So as we wrap up this exploration of the world of CRISPR, remember that the power of science isn't just in understanding the world around us. It's also about responsibly shaping it for the better, ensuring that every discovery, every breakthrough is used to enhance and protect the world we live in. And that perhaps is the most exciting part of this all.